So we recently undertook a project in Dundrum beside the shopping centre where we were brought in early by the client and we collaborated with the design team. Initially it didn't feel like we saved any time, but when we reviewed it kind of after the project, it turned out that we'd saved the client about 6 to 8 weeks, which could have been worth about €100,000 to them.
You've got your landlord, you've got your tenants, you've got noisy works. Those noisy works need to be coordinated at times where it's not disrupting your tenants and your building. That building could be a hotel. It could be a building with a blue chip client that is carrying out meetings with other stakeholders of their own in various different time zones across the world. You need to have an understanding of who your end user is, what their specific requirements are. You need to tailor your operating model to deliver the project with minimal disruption, if any, to the sitting tenants in the building.
We know from early engagement with subcontractors what's dangerous of the project, what's the lead time on certain items, and we push them with the consultants for early engagement and early approval.
Early contractor involvement is constant collaboration from the design process right through to PC. It can only be achieved with a high calibre fit-out contractor who brings knowledge, experience and a proven track record.